Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Placement Zone. Today in this video I am going to tell you when was Wipro onboarding is going on and why Wipro doesn't give onboarding to us. Before starting our video, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. So let's go into the video. When was Wipro onboarding is going on? Actually, as per recent updates, some members got a survey mail like onboarding for, I don't know exactly who people got that survey mail, but some people got this survey mail about the onboarding update. So I think Wipro is as much as faster to give onboarding like this. So that's why I asked some HRs about this onboarding. So when was give onboarding? When was give onboarding to us like this? But I got a reply from them. You want to see that reply? Well, let's see. Expecting on December. First of all, I thought like this. Okay, Wipro is started onboarding process now, so they give onboarding as much as faster like this. But after that, I asked to some HRs. They're telling like not only one HR guys. I asked 2 to 3 HRs. All are telling expecting in December, expecting in December. I don't know exactly, and there are some members are completing their anniversary also. But still waiting for Wipro. Why guys, if you have any other jobs, go for it. Don't wait for Wipro. Actually, they already wasted 1 year time and they're ready to waste our time again 1 more year. If you are a degree candidate, please join in MCA in any college. Otherwise, try to other jobs. I strongly say don't wait for Wipro. Don't waste your time. Guys, please listen. It's my suggestion only. If you have one and only opportunity that's Wipro, then wait for it. Or if you have any other opportunity, go for it. Lot of members saying like I daily applied for lot of job opportunities, but I still didn't get any reply from them. Why? Hey bro, actually me also apply for those jobs, but why I get reply from them and why you didn't get reply from them? It's a mistake in your resume. Your resume is not perfect. That's why you didn't get any reply from them. I know lot of members don't know about resume is perfect or not. Don't worry, I definitely made a video on, actually I definitely made a separate video on this resume building. So for that video, please do subscribe now and click the bell icon, and if you have any doubts, do comment. I will definitely reply your comments. Why Wipro is give onboarding in December? Why every time say December? Recently some guys are onboarded, and in that onboarding people, some members are in the bench and they doesn't have any projects. Or just think about it guys, already onboarding people doesn't have any projects. How can they onboarding us? So that's why they doesn't give onboarding to us. That's it. But they say like we give onboarding on December, expecting in December. But listen guys, it's expecting in December, not exactly they give onboarding in December. That's expecting onboarding, not a particularly they said as December, in December you definitely get onboarding like this. They said it's an expecting onboarding. So I again and again say, please, if you have any other opportunities, go for it, or try to other opportunities, other job opportunities. If you don't know how to try, do subscribe my channel. I definitely post video, I definitely give job updates to you. I apply for these jobs and crack it, and I also tell you what skills want to mention in that resume for shortlisting in that job. Or do MCA or MBA, but don't wait for Wipro. Actually you have wasted your 1 year time for waiting for Wipro, and you again waste your time. Just try to other opportunities, and I hope you definitely get a job. And remember guys, I will tell you how to get a job, how to prepare for jobs, and I tell my tricks. Actually I got 4 jobs now and 1 is on the way. I tell my tricks and tips to you. In that way you definitely get a job. For that also, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. And that's all for this video. Bye bye.